Welcome to Tesla Stock News. Let's start this video now where we highlight the US as a dominant power in the worldwide marketplace. American businesses have continuously raised the bar for international competition and demonstrated the power of free market principles. With its sights set on both the future of artificial intelligence and electric vehicles, Tesla, a pioneer in the field of electric vehicle technology, is poised to reclaim the coveted trillion-dollar club, which it briefly held in 2021 and 2022. Let's examine the most recent information from Tesla's fiscal quarter, which ended on September 3rd, 2023. Investors may have hit the brakes, causing an initial sell-off of the stock, but here is an insider's perspective on why this dip could potentially indicate a green light for long-term investment. Tesla is speeding towards a future of significant value creation. Despite its strong position, Tesla is facing some steep challenges. The current economic climate, marked by rising inflation and interest rates, is encouraging consumers to put the brakes on spending, especially on major purchases like new cars. Tesla has consistently led the EV market with innovative technology in its vehicles and manufacturing processes, which drives a higher gross profit margin per vehicle than any other manufacturer in the field, outpacing even those who are still in the internal combustion engine race. Additionally, the competition is intensifying as both specialized EV startups and well-established automakers like Mercedes-Benz, in order to deal with these difficult circumstances, General Motors and Ford are investing heavily in the EV industry. A new Tesla now costs on average 19.5% less than it did in August 2022. According to Cox Automotive, this pricing power comes from Tesla's enviable gross profit margin, which, despite dropping from 25.1% to 17.9% in just 1 year, still outperforms the rest of the industry. This act of balancing pricing agility and cost efficiency exemplifies typical car may only be used for 12 hours a week, but Tesla sees the remaining time as a chance for these cars to function as robot taxes, bringing in money for both Tesla and its owners. This bold plan could propel Tesla's gross profit margin to an astounding 70%, up from the current 17.9%. As previously mentioned, Tesla is currently a $760 billion enterprise that needs a mere 32% increase in stock value to cross into the exclusive 1 trillion club. Let's break down the numbers with a price-to-earnings ratio of 64.3 based on $361 in earnings per share over the past 12 months. Musk had suggested that even if Tesla were to sell its vehicles at break-even prices, the prosperous software ecosystem could sustain and advance the company's financials, allowing it to slash vehicle prices in ways competitors simply couldn't match. Tesla's stock is currently valued highly, and although price reductions can affect profitability and raise the PE ratio even more, the company's projection of a 50% yearly increase in production could propel it to trillion-dollar status in a year. Presuming that the PE ratio and pricing remain same, but the horizon has something even more revolutionary in store. Wall Street analysts are keeping a close eye on the emerging autonomous ride-hailing industry, which is expected to transform mobility's cost efficiency by removing drivers' salaries. According to ARK Investment Management, this could result in an astounding $4 trillion in revenue by 2028, suggesting that Tesla's valuation may reach $6.01 trillion by 2027. And an 86% increase in its current stock price. Elon Musk has emphasized completely autonomous vehicles as the driving force behind Tesla's expansion, citing the overwhelming economic case. He sees a time when automobiles, which are currently only used for 10 to 12 hours a week, may double in productivity, converting Tesla into a hardware business with margins for software. Musk's enthusiasm is evident as he discusses the advancements in autonomy with Tesla's FSD beta vehicles, which have accumulated more than 500 million miles. During Tesla's third quarter earnings call, Musk alludes to the revolutionary nature of the company's AI system, comparing it to baby AGI that can understand the real introduction world and navigate it on its own. Future autonomous technology that transcends roads was alluded to by Elon Musk. Musk imagines a future in which completely autonomous humanoid robots will become commonplace, coexist with self-driving automobiles, indicating a profound change in the economic environment. If fully autonomous cars are produced on a large scale and fully autonomous humanoid robots prove to be beneficial, the potential for economic growth is, virtually limitless. And during the call, Musk indicated that he had looked more closely at the possibilities of these robots, and that eliminating the constraints of human work could really result in unbounded economic growth. Musk's optimism is based on the potential of Tesla's AI software, which will operate as the brains behind their Optimus humanoid robots, in addition to guiding the course of their autonomous cars. According to Musk, these robots will eventually be able to manufacture themselves, establishing a self-sustaining cycle of production, in addition to being able to learn tasks merely by observation. Meanwhile, other companies, such as Boston Dynamics, are also breaking new ground in the humanoid robot market. And that is, robot toys, as in Tesla's Edge, is unwavering. Nobody will likely accomplish it more effectively than Tesla, in my opinion. He asserted that Elon Musk's audacious prognosis for Tesla's place in the robotics hierarchy is a look into a future era of technical triumph. Or is it tainted with an exaggerated sense of speed, as he has acknowledged in previous predictions? The final arbiter during the Q3 earnings call will be time. Since General Motors Cruise and Alphabet's Waymo are already navigating the robot taxi terrain, Musk declined to provide exact timetables when analysts pressed for information on the launch of Tesla's robot taxi service. Some would say that General Motors currently provides a more direct stake in the rapidly expanding robot taxi market than Tesla, proving that the company is not the only player in this revolutionary race. Musk's forecasts linked the success of Tesla's humanoid robot to company's autonomous vehicle future, ambitions implying that a delay in one could indicate problems in the other. It's important to understand that Tesla's path to being the most valuable company in the world is not just mapped out by its endeavors. Sales of other IT giants, including as Apple, and also being impacted by the winds of artificial intelligence. Amazon, Nvidia, and Microsoft Alpha are already members of the rare $1 trillion club. Although Tesla might succeed in its endeavors, but still lag behind these market leaders, to simply set aside our vision would be to overlook AI's ability to fundamentally transform our planet, echoing previous views. As Tesla advances its AI-driven goals, artificial intelligence is poised to be a huge game changer. The idea that Musk's prediction might come true someday is still a fascinating one. The question still stands. Will Tesla change the technical environment, or will it adopt its peers' innovative strategies? As we conclude our in-depth analysis of Tesla's ambitious trajectory, we are left wondering about the revolutionary potential of AI in transforming the automobile industry and beyond. Only time will tell. The way we interact with technology and the world around us could be drastically changed by Elon Musk's vision for Tesla, which includes fully autonomous cars and robots. However, a number of questions remain. Can Tesla overcome the challenges of competition and fulfill its autonomous promises? Will the company's AI advancements propel it into the trillion-dollar valuation club alongside the current tech titans? More importantly, is Musk's optimism a sign of foresight or a mirage of overconfidence? We appreciate your time and hope to see you again in our upcoming films. Please join the discussion in the comment area below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News.